So say you got yourself one of these fine pieces of Japanese engineering, cancer and all, and it starts to get hot as fuck outside. So you go to charge your AC system, but you got a hole in your low pressure side hose. Well, what we're gonna have to do now is just replace the piece of shit with a used piece of shit. We're gonna try it out, see if it works. I'm even gonna use the old O-rings. I trust it that much. Let's get it. So, to get started, got our workbench all lined out here. Oh, yep, got some new we're breaking in today. Oh, yeah, so let's just hammer it out. Fuck this thing. First thing we're gonna wanna do is get this thingy out of the way so we can get to our low AC connections on the firewall. And yeah, I'm gonna take that out. I'll be right back. Alright, I got it up and out of the way. There's just two 10mm bolts holding the back plate against the firewall on its mount, and a hose on the bottom, which came off surprisingly easy. So next, we're going to break the connection at the firewall on the low AC line. I'm just going to use 2 crescent wrenches, backing them up. I'll be right back when I break this loose and get it off. Alright, I got it screwed off and pushed up out of the way. Now we got to get this one down here on the AC compressor. It's way down there. I'll shine a light, see if you can see it. That guy. That little B-hole way down there. 10mm. I'll be right back when I get that off. Just gonna use a ratchet and socket on this one. Alright, real quick, before I stuck my arm down here, I started thinking with like 1,000 IQ and remember my little access door. Yeah, so I took him off and got him out of the way. Now I'm gonna get that off. Now, finally. Cha-cha. See you in a second. Okay, I got it unbolted and pulled off from the air compressor housing. So nothing to do now but pull this bitch out like why you always fight. Throw that shits away. Alright, now we gotta take our new hose and stuff our hose down in our well-engineered Japanese machinery. Dirty slut. I'll be back. Alright, got the new hose in there, all buttoned up on the AC compressor. Just got to tighten that down and put this dealy bot back where it came from. And I'll be right back. Ta-da! Alright, time for a beer. Have a good one, guys. Oh, nice and cool. Perfect time, right when it gets hot.